Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you are fine. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profits. So today we bring a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Before waste our time, I am starting the video. So guys, you can check here. This project name is Volume Solana Board. So guys, Volume Solana Board, the ultimate tool for market makers on Solana. Introducing Volume Solana Board VSB. Welcome to Volume Solana Board, the latest innovation in trading boards on Solana. Designed specifically for market makers, VSB offers superior security, rapid order creation, and the ability to effortlessly push token volumes to the top. With VSP, you can efficiently manage token prices and stay ahead of the competition. And as guys, you can check here fast trading, secure and reliable, continuous market updates. Net guys, you can click this and get started now. You can click here and see this. So guys, you can start now in Telegram. You can see this Volume Solana board. You can see this official website link, official channel link, official Twitter page link. Guys, you can see this spot link. And next guys, we can try this project Volume Solana board. So guys, you can see this board link. You can click here, then you can click here, then you can start now. Then you can your board is start. You can click this and see this is supercharge your Solana project trading volume. You can check here my address. You can see this my balance is 0 Solana. Then you can see this. You can check here your account balance. You can click there and see this user information. You can see this user ID, type free, remaining transaction 20. You can see this my all account detail. Net guy, you can check here password detail, referrals, purchase transaction. You can see this next way back now. And next guy, you can see this valid detail. You can click here and see this valid. You can check here valid address, balance. You can show this. You can see this recommend withdraw your funds after completing each run of volume making transaction and reset value. The guy, you can click here, then you can see this show private key. The guy, you can click here, then you can see the reset valid. And next we go to the back, and next guy, you can see this token setting, how it works. You can click here and see this how it works detail. You can check here all detail. It's almost following step. You can see this how it works. This loan volume booster. Number 1, fuel up your wallet. Number 2, buy your transaction. Number 3, set up your target and strategy. Number 4, let's boost. And guys, you can check here. You can see guys, you can read it carefully all detail. Then you can start now and try this board. And next we back to the home page and see this monitor. Guys, you can see this leaderboard, history detail, language. You can select now. You can click this and see this history. You can see this start date, contact address, and you can click this one. Then you can see this more information about this project. And now guys, you can check here token settings, live page 5%, random soul amount. You can see the 0.00012 to 0.0005, total transaction 10, workers 1, priority fee level default, make holder. You can see this live page, total transaction, worker, minimum soul amount, maximum soul amount. You can see this RTA. And next we back now and see this multi guy. You can check here leaderboard. You can click here and see this leaderboard detail. You can see the start date. You can see this address, transaction amount. You can check here, and next we'll discuss more detail about this project. And then guys, you can check here. You can join our Telegram. Guys, you can see this Volume Solana board official Telegram channel is open. Guys, you can follow this and get information about this project. And next we go to this project Telegram group chat community. Guys, you can check here Volume Solana board community, Telegram group chat community is open. You can join this chat and get information about this project. You can check here important announcement about this project Volume Solana board community. You can click here and see these 4,983 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. Next guys, you can check also here more detail about this project Volume Solana board. Guys, this is amazing board project. this is too much secure. So guys, don't forget to join this project board. You can see this introducing Volumes Loaner board VSB exceptional security. VSB ensures your transaction and assets are protected with top-notch security features, rapid volume boost, create orders quickly to drive up token volume, making it easier to elevate your tokens to the top of the market. And as guys, you can see this effortless price management. With VSB, market makers can easily control and influence token prices with precision and efficiency. And as guys, you can check here user-friendly integration. Seamlessly integrate VSB with your existing trading setup for a smooth and hassle-free experience. And as guys, you can see these key features of this project: Volumes Loaner bot, boost trading volume, intelligent automated orders, create lively market activity and increase liquidity, enhance efficiency. In-depth monitoring and analytics provide insight for timely adjustment and optimizations. Achieve top trading status. Gain prominence on platforms like DEX Screener and Bird Eye, attracting more attention. And now guys, you can check here, get started with Volumes Loaner board today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transfer your market making activities. Join Volumes Loaner board today and take your token management to the next level. So guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here Volumes Loaner board official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can check here Solana Volume board, boost your token visibility, attract investors. You can see this channeling, bottling. You can check here, and guys, you can see this most important update about this project Volumes Loaner board. You can check here all posts. You can see this top 15 winner announced. You can check here reward. You can see this, you can get reward now for announcement. You can check here 1000 transaction 5 credit, 2000 transaction 10 credit, 5000 transaction 25 credit. You can see this all detail. You can check here all detail. Volumes Loaner board bonus credit. You can see this bonus credit, and next back to the home page. Next guys, you can see this flash sale. You can check here all detail, and next back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.